So the point of Thanksgiving is basically to get together with your family and friends and stuff yourself full of food. But if you're a vegan, sometimes that can be a problem. I'm Dutkiewicz, and I'm a political scientist at Johns Hopkins University who studies agriculture. As of 1995, we've had the Tofurky, which is this amorphous slab of soy and wheat that gives vegans a centerpiece at Thanksgiving dinner. It really started the ball rolling on this whole thing that we now call meat alternatives. Now we've got this new generation, the second generation of meat alternative products like the Impossible Burger or the Beyond Burger, which have far better technology, so they're really getting close to the taste, mouthfeel, texture of meat. Looks just like a standard Whopper. And they're also being far more aggressive in their marketing and their messaging.
Introducing the Impossible Whopper, available nationwide.
They're not saying we're trying to be like meat. They're saying we are meat, we're just plant-based. And they're succeeding.
But a juicy charbroiled burger with a patty made from plants?
Beyond had one of the most successful IPOs of the year. The Impossible Whopper is driving sales for Burger King. But on the horizon, we've got a really interesting technology that's not quite at market yet, which is called cellular agriculture. So you get real meat. You just get it without the farm and without the slaughterhouse. It sounds like science fiction, but the first products are actually going to hit the market probably next year or the year after. Thanksgiving was the genesis for all of this, and it all started with the humble Tofurky.